Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Nandini and today आज मैं ड्राइविंग सीखने वाली हूँ. So I'm gonna take you all with me. I am nervous. पता नहीं, देखते हैं कितनी गाड़ी ठोकती हूँ मैं. Let's go. वैसे मैं एक बार गई थी मेरे डैड के साथ में. उन्होंने मुझे सिखाया था एक बार, बट मैं अकेले से नहीं कर सकती. मैं उनको मना ही लूँगी साथ में आने के लिए. लेट्स गो. Hi guys, so that was my driving. I know मैं इतनी परफेक्ट नहीं हूँ, बट आ जाएगी. अभी रोज़ रोज़ चलाओगी तो. Now I wanted to share my my 2021 bucket list or to-do list. No, it's not a bucket list. It's like what everyone must do in 2021. So let's go directly into the video. First thing that I want to do is not to get corona. I know that is very dumb, but I wanted to start off with something funny. So that is the first one. Obviously, no one wants to get corona. Lists are more related towards the mental health of a person. I want to let people know that mental health is very very important, and according to do that. I have made this bucket list. 2021 number 2 to-do list is try to do what makes you feel happy. Everyone is running around like doing things that just passive way में चल रही है life. No one is like actually concentrating on what they want. So you just wait and think what actually makes whatever you are doing in your routine, does it actually make you happy? And the fact that I am doing these videos and I am on YouTube is because it makes me happy. Me feel happy that the things I am sharing, the things that people don't know about mental health, and I know, and I want to share it up among them, and let them to feel, like it's okay. That was the second one. Try to do things that make you happy. Believe me, it will boost your like mood, day-to-day mood, and it will make you more happier, which is the ultimate goal. Third thing to inculcate in 2021 is try to take things slow, and it's like not to be pressured by things. We live in a very stressful life where we want everything like right now, and it's okay to not do anything. It's very important. 2020 ने ये सिखाया है कि it's okay to not do things at like and comparing with others, like we compare ourselves with others, but it is not correct because you live your life at your own pace and you can't compare your life with anyone else. So it's just important to learn or inculcate in you yourself that it is okay to not do anything, or it is okay to feel like pressured but not do anything, and you should just know that you are not lagging, you are where you are meant to be. Like this is very important because I have seen people with anxieties, future anxieties and stress anxieties, and these people actually get physical symptoms because of this mental anxiety, and it plays a huge role in your life. you have to let go things, and like you have to accept it that it's okay to not do anything, basically. Try to accept yourself as you are. I have seen people and patients, like, I am a doctor, by the way. So I've seen patients, like, these people criticize themselves so much that, like, I am thinking in my own head, like, ये अगर खुद को इतना बोल रहा है तो बाकी लोग क्या बोलेंगे, like, and it is a negative thing to do about yourself. You should not criticize yourself, and like you should just accept your flaws. Like, it is, self love is a journey, I know, but it is very important to love yourself. I know you guys must be thinking like ये क्या बोल रही है, तो it is so common, like ये तो सभी को पता है, but when you are going through something, you need to hear it from someone else, because it is so important and we forget. ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हम भूल जाते हैं, हम सोसाइटी में रह के लाइक इतने इंडल्ज हो जाते हैं सोसाइटी में दैट वी स्टार्ट थिंकिंग अबाउट आवरसेल्व्स एज इन अ सोसाइटी, जैसे हम सोसाइटी की नज़रों में कैसे, लाइक ये सब सोचने लग जाते हैं, एंड देन इट स्टार्ट्स टू गेट ऑन योर सेल्फ दैट मेरे में ये कम है, मेरे में ये है, वो है. डोंट डू इट प्लीज़. ऑब्वियसली इतनी बड़ी दुनिया है, देयर विल बी समवन हु इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू लाइक यू एज यू आर. सो जस्ट डोंट ट्राई टू इम्प्रेस एवरीवन, जस्ट be yourself and be kind towards others. Like, it thing I have learned in 2020 is to enjoy your own company. Obviously man is a social animal, हम ये हिस्ट्री में 5th स्टैंडर्ड से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं, but you should just not learn or teach yourself to be with yourself, but you should actually enjoy your company. I know, but it is a process you have to inculcate, and that is why it is in the to-do list of 2021. Next thing to do is take one step at a time. If you can do like directly jump into the work, then that's well and good, but I have seen patient with I have seen people with social anxiety where like and depression, where like even texting someone or replying a text is a big task for them. And you probably think, normal people probably think it is such a dumb thing to say, but when you are going through it, it is very difficult. And no matter कितना छोटा भी वो काम रहो, like replying a text, or I have seen patients where they are in depression and when someone asks them, they can't reply, like they don't know how to answer. Like, for example, how are you fine? They don't know, they are obviously not fine, and it haunts them that someone will ask them. And basically just take small steps, basically. So just don't try to do everything at once, you can't, and you one step, one goal at a time, and very slowly go ahead. 7th is always take care of your mental health. It is, अब ये पूरा वीडियो उसी पर है basically, but it is really a very big topic. Depression and anxieties can literally sabotage you. Like this video if you want to know more about depression or anxiety, or you want to do like a video on depression signs and how to deal with it, anxiety signs, symptoms, etc. Next, 8 is unattach or detach people who make you uncomfortable, or who you think are toxic, or who constantly criticize you. Just do it. Please, it will be a good thing for you. Just don't be in a company which is negative, and it will get to you eventually. Starting में कुछ नहीं होगा, लेकिन धीरे धीरे you will actually start believing them, which is not true and which is very very bad for your mental health. Just stop talking to them. And even if detaching does not mean that you are jealous or like you don't want them to grow. You also want them to grow, but their influence is not good for you. So just do it for yourself. Cut it out. Just don't talk to them. You will see the difference. There will be less negative people around you and you will bloom, literally. So ninth is do some self-care activity. Eat healthy, do exercise, apply some face mask, face creams. Take care of your body. It releases this dopamine, which is a happy hormone. It makes you feel happy and it relieves stress. 10th is do exercise. Exercise releases endorphins, which is another happy hormone which reduces the feeling of pain, whether it is physical or mental pain. It really feel good and happy. So endorphins and dopamine are happy hormones. So just do your self-care activities and exercise daily or 4-5 times a week and take care of your mental health. So these were my 10 things to do in 2021 for the betterment of your mental health. Let me know if you have any other suggestions in the comment section down below. I try to post a video a week. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. And for the people who are already subscribed and come to see my videos, thank you. I love you all. I am very grateful for all of you. In the end, don't forget to be yourself and be kind to others. Bye.